video is about adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. So adding and subtracting polynomials is just combining like terms. You've probably been doing it for a long time, only now it's called adding and subtracting polynomials because you know now what a polynomial is. So in these parentheses, we have a trinomial, a binomial, and a trinomial. When there's a minus sign or a plus sign in between the parentheses, all you need to do is rewrite the expression without the parentheses and then combine like terms. So to rewrite this expression without the parentheses, the polynomial in the first parentheses will not change at all. In the second parentheses, I have to distribute this minus sign, so it becomes minus x minus 9. The third parentheses will not change at all because there's a plus sign in front of it. And then we have a long polynomial expression that I want to combine like terms and write it in standard form from highest exponent to lowest. So the first term is 3x to the third power. There's no like term to combine that with. The next term would be this plus x squared. There's no like term to combine that with either. Then I have this minus 2x, a minus x, and a minus 5x, all being combined to give us minus 8x. And then finally the constant terms, plus 4, minus 9, and plus 1, which altogether is minus 4. There's nothing else to simplify, so that's the final answer. Multiplying polynomials is the process of distributing each term and then simplifying. So we have to distribute the 3x to the third power from the first parentheses to both terms of the other parentheses to give us 3x to the fourth power minus 3x to the third power. Then distribute the minus 2x from the first parentheses to both terms of the other parentheses to give us minus 2x squared and then plus 2x. And then finally distribute the plus 4 to both terms of the other parentheses to give us plus 4x minus 4. Now I have 6 terms and I look for like terms that I can combine. The first 3 terms don't have any like terms elsewhere in the expression. This plus 2x plus 4x gives us plus 6x. And the minus 4 comes down, and that's as simplified as it can be. And then one final note on multiplying is that if you have more than 2 parentheses, you can't distribute all of them at the same time. You can't deal with all 3 of these parentheses at the same time. So first, pick the 2 that you want to multiply together first, whatever ones are easier for you, and then deal with the other parentheses. So I see x minus 1, x plus 4. I know that I can distribute these 2 in my head. So I'm going to turn this into x squared plus 3x minus 4. That's just some mental FOIL. Then I have this parentheses, and I'll distribute it to the second parentheses. So 3x to the second power times x to the second power, and so on. 3x to the fourth power plus 9x to the third power minus 12x to the second power. Then distribute the negative 2. Negative 2, x to the second power, negative 6x, plus 8. Then look for like terms to combine and write this in standard form. This has no like term. This has no like term. Minus 12x squared and minus 2x squared will be minus 14x squared. And then bring down the minus 6x and the plus 8. And that is all.